it's been. Oh wait. Oh, the video didn't start yet. Why the video take so long? Oh hey, I'm Shonda Davis, and I am trying Jamaican brown stew. So chicken. So one of the things I want to show you real quick here is I am cleaning my chicken right now. But you know they said to put water in there, a couple of teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and then fresh lemons, as you can see that in there. And so I'm gonna marinate that. I'm gonna be cutting up some things. And listen, I'm just at home hanging out with myself and having a great time. I'm cleaning this chicken. I don't know if you want to see it, but I don't can have, you know, I'm this is really homeschool because I'm the one doing everything. I'm wiping. As you see, I took the skin off of everything. And I noticed in the brown stew chicken, some people they take all the bones out. So I may very well take this bone off, but I'm not gonna do that right now. They sometimes cut like this chicken right here, they'll cut that off of there. I'm not going to guarantee you that I'm going to do that either. But this is my first time, and I'm going to clean this really good and then cut up all my ingredients, and then I'm going to put them on the chicken to marinate, okay? And I'll tell you what I'm putting in there. All right. Okay, so I don't know how good of a video master I'll be. It looks like it said I got 44 minutes, but I don't think I'm going to be on here for 44 minutes. But let's see. So I'm rinsing this chicken off, and that's one of the things that says just rinse it off again. You know, you want to make sure your chicken is clean, and when you're working with chicken and stuff, it's very important to keep things clean. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, this is dripping, but that was the sink, okay? Don't do that at home. Kids, don't try this at home. Just get it rinsed off. So when I'm rinsing it off, and then I'm going to move to cutting everything up so we can put everything on there. And so that can marinate overnight. I may have to get a bigger bowl. Of course, this bowl is kind of small. And what I did, to just give you an idea of what I did, I watched like 5 different videos. And I kind of watched what they were doing and kind of got the stuff that they said to get, and then I just kind of decide on what I want to put on mine. So I don't follow a recipe to the T. I follow it to whatever I think is best to put in there. And so I'm going to show you my seasoning. I'm going to probably rinse the chicken off one more time before I marinate it, but for right now we're just going to leave it be. It's been soaking for a while, and I just had salt. So I chose to watch a few videos on just how to you know, cook meat. And so that's what I did. Excuse me for a moment. All right, so let me show you my ingredients. You can't see me right now, but listen here. I have onion, and they say onion. I have all-purpose. I brought that from the African store. I have paprika. I have chicken seasoning that I got from the African store. Just some plain old onion powder. And I was thinking, I don't know if I'm going to use this as a meat steak beef one, but I don't know if I want to put that, does it belong in there? And then the fresh things, these colorful peppers is what I got. And then, yep, I'm really in my t-shirt in the kitchen. And then I have, this is what I have. These are scallions, that they call it, and green peppers. And so I'm going to pause the video because I'm going to cut these things up. I'll probably let you see me cut a few things up because some people like to, watch cutting. But that's going to take me a while to do, so I don't want to spend a whole lot showing you. And I also have these allspice balls as well. And my daughter Patrice gave me these. We went to the African store together. She made oxtails, and I'm making brown stew. So, I had started cutting the onion already, so you can see this one. And the knife is pretty sharp, but a lot of them don't cut it thin. Usually they just have it like in chunks, and so I'm not making it pretty or anything in terms of that, because you're just going to put it in there. Some people cut the onion up really small, so whichever way the onion is going to cook. So I figure it's up to you which way you choose to do that. I'm going to cut up these as well, some scallions, and put that in there. All this goes into the marinade, and also it's seasoned, you know, the recipe really doesn't seem that complicated. It's only a few spices. I just want to make sure that I got enough, you know, spices. Some of them put seasoned salt, just regular seasoned salt in there as well. So cutting down the scallions, yep, they put some of the green leaves in there as well. So again, I'm not the professional. I'm not trying to pretend to be. This is my first time making it. And so just going to cut these ends off here. And just cut a little bit, and then I'll pause. I'll show me cutting probably a few peppers, but I really want to just pause it because really today I'm just only going to marinate. I'm marinating everything. And so I'm just chopping up everything that I will put in there so I can marinate. So hopefully you can see that. Okay, let's pause for a moment. Okay, so what I did while we were away, I washed off my peppers, and I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to use all my peppers because I have more, like the people that I watched on TV, I think I have way more meat than they do. But the one thing I didn't tell you, I got the Scotch bonnet. Don't open that bad baby up. Just put one in there. We'll go through that, but we're not gonna do that tonight. And fresh thyme. So I got fresh thyme from my sister's house, so that's what I'll be using. Fresh thyme. So thyme is also something that we use in there. He has a garden in the back, so that is where I got that from. Well, you know, I'm just having fun right now, and I don't know. I you know, do some pausing and all that other stuff. But one of the things you should do as a person, find things that you love to do. Like, I can't say that I love to cook, but I do like videotaping, right? So one of the things I decided to do, like I'm spontaneous. Like, I knew I had to do this because I had planned it, because we're planning a birthday party for my husband, and we were gonna do like a Jamaican theme. Of course, he wants Italian after all that. So what I was making was the brown stewed chicken to practice, because we had like 2 weeks before his birthday. And so that's what I was doing. I was practicing. I'm probably not going to put all this bell pepper, because this bell pepper is pretty strong. So I'm going to cut it, but I'm going to leave this piece. I'm not going to put all that in there. Whereas the yellow ones, I'm probably going to put the whole thing in there. I'm not going to put the seeds in there. If you want to put your seeds in there, I guess that's up to you, but I don't want no seeds in my stuff. So, and so I'm going to do, these are considered what they call sweet peppers. And so I'm just going to cut them in strips. Some people I saw cut them up in big old chunks. I don't think that's attractive, so I want to put them in strips. So I'll tell you something about myself. I am in the education field. I have 3 grown sons who, we live right here in the city of Milwaukee. There's a lot of rough things going on in the news, but I don't watch the news, so everything in my world is going great. I have been working on myself, learning to pay attention to myself, pay attention to my life, and enjoy my life in spite of the trials and tribulations. So I would encourage you to do the same. You got to understand, you're going to always have trials and tribulations. There's nothing that's ever going to stop trials and tribulations from happening in your family. And I bet you I don't look like I'm going through a trial and tribulation, but I'm going through a real serious one. But I chose to look at it in a different light. One of the things I look at is the fact that my last name is Victory and Win. I am saved by Jesus Christ. He has a plan for my life. So any trial and tribulation, he wrote in the Bible that I would have them. So ain't no sense of crying and getting mad. I mean, you can cry. I'm not saying, like, don't cry. You can cry. And I cry sometimes, but sometimes I'm like, girl, I ain't finna cry over that. I'll be about to cry and say, not in denial. I'll be about to cry and be like, nah, I ain't wasting my tears on that. And that's what you got to get to a point of. So I'm cutting the red peppers. I'm going to cut the rest of them offline, but I just wanted to show you that. I'm going to pause and we'll come back to our conversation in just a moment. So I almost have everything cut up. There's another ingredient I didn't share with you, but there's three cloves of garlic. So I'm going to be cutting the garlic up. And what I also learned is some of them use a little bit of brown sugar in their recipe, and I'm gonna do that. And some of them use ketchup, and I'm gonna use that as well. That's on tomorrow when we start cooking. But that's the choice. That's not everybody doesn't do that. And I also noticed that everybody doesn't put water in it because I watched one lady and the chicken basically made its own juices with her putting no water in it. But I think she put cornstarch in there to kind of thicken up the sauce. So that's something as well to do. Just thinking about, again, going back to our conversation and just doing things that you enjoy. Live your life intentionally. Don't let your life pass you by. Don't. I had a conversation with a young lady today. She was not so young, but she was sharing her story with me about how she started making cakes. So I did order a cake from her. She's been doing it for years. She don't have no advertisement. She's lived well off her gift, and she's making room. Her gift is making room for her, and that's something that we have to understand, that God created all of us. All of us were created for a purpose, but all of us don't understand that. So that's why a lot of people out here robbing and stealing, because they don't realize God already fully equipped you to be in this earth and survive with the gifts that He put in you. But some of them using their gifts for the wrong thing. So of course, you're not, getting the benefits. Because I really don't watch news, and she was telling me how this 13-year-old is now being tried for to be an adult because him and his friends, or whoever they couldn't have been friends because my friends would have corrected me, stole this lady car, ran her over like she was on a video game. And that's what people don't understand. Video games are okay to a point, but sometimes they cause some people to lose touch with reality. And that lady wasn't no how in the video game, you run them over and they get right back up. That's this real life. So you have a lot of that not living in reality and understanding like the desires of your behavior. And now you going to prison with somebody who, and you young. This, I just want y'all to really think about it. It's not, you have no right to take from somebody else. They took their time to do what they were supposed to do to get it. Now you figure out how you gonna take your time to get what you need to get, because that's one thing I don't like. Like, don't take my stuff. It's mine. I don't care if it's just stuff. It's not the point. I bought it with my money. I worked hard, and that's what I chose to get with it. And then what did you do in order to get what you got? Like, I wouldn't interfere with that. So just really thinking about those kind of things. So I'm just cutting up the garlics, and I'm probably going to pause it because I only have so many minutes I could use on video tapes. And what I'm going to do is, while I'm offline, I'm going to put all my seasoning that I showed you in one bowl. So when I start putting everything on there, you can see what it is. I showed you already, but it's basically like a tablespoon of everything except for pepper. I didn't show you that, but you don't put a tablespoon of that. They usually do like a teaspoon or a half teaspoon of pepper. So I'm going to pause it and I'll be back. Thank you.